Now, I'm also the person that can look at a person and I'm not looking at the person per se. I'm looking at their aura that surrounds them. I'm looking at their aura. It has nothing to do, even though I'm looking at a person, I can look at a person and I can tell a person some certain things about them. Not like a psychic, not like, I guess it is a little bit like a psychic, but I can foresee certain things in people, like good qualities. I'm the only person, 1:30 in the morning, in Arizona, in all of Arizona, in the rain, 1:30 a.m. Completely dark outside, raining outside. Am I the only one about to get in the jacuzzi? That's how I get down, baby. Somebody got to do it. Your boy, living his best life. Oh, yo, 1:30, 1:30 a.m. This pool feels lovely. And yes, the steam that's coming over the jacuzzi, the steam that's coming over the pool is right nice out here right now. Get your mind right, y'all. 2019. Doing it real big. I'm doing it real different than anybody out there. Holla at your boy. I ain't gonna front, y'all. It's 1:30 in the morning. The steam, as you see on the jacuzzi, I'm the only person out here doing it like this. The only person in Arizona. 1:30, raining outside. Look at the rain. You see the rain hitting the ground. 1:30 a.m. Let's see what's up with the pool. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. What's popping, y'all? What is popping? It's nothing like, I'm doing life different than anybody's doing it. I'm living life the way I want to, how I want to, on my terms. 2019. I don't care how, I don't care what anybody expects, how life is supposed to be lived, what you're supposed to be doing, how you're supposed to be doing it. I'm breaking all rules. And the reason why I'm breaking all rules, because I don't care about nobody else's rules. I'm doing things my way. This is why I came here, y'all. Came here for this. I'm born in April. I love the water. Do you get it? Like, every time it rains, as long as it's not thundering, I'm out here. Pool is heated. Jacuzzi. Pool is like nice and warm. It's like 51 degrees out here anyway, but the pool feels like it's about a good 75 degrees. Yeah. But the jacuzzi, the hot tub is like 95 degrees. It's hot, boiling. So yeah, man, I'm just enjoying that. Like, nobody else is out here. Everybody's asleep. People inside. People don't like to be outside in the rain. I could care less, man. I'm doing me. Doing me how I want, when I want, where I want. You feel me? And that's what you should do too. Go against the grain, man. Don't worry about what others think. When you do things your way, what you feel in your heart is right, what you enjoy, others will look at that and be like, I don't know, man. That's not cool. I wouldn't do that. Well, I'm not you. You not me. We different people. You feel me? We are different people. So I'm out here in this big, beautiful pool. There's a reason why we have this open for 24 hours a day. We have it open to enjoy it. So what is raining? It means nothing. I'm in the pool. I'm wet anyway. Come on, man. Got my thick robe. I got my nice thick robe once I get out. So I'm nice and covered. I feel great. It is what it is. I'm going back and getting the jacuzzi. Shall you join me? Look how beautiful it is out here, y'all. Beautiful. I'm loving it. Let me turn the time up on the jacuzzi so that the bubbles don't run out too soon. Because you really only got like 15 minutes. You only got 15 minutes for the bubbles on the jacuzzi before you got to get back out again and turn it back on. Oh, I said, oh. What's good? Like, your boy doing his thing. I'm really learning a lot with my massage therapy. Yo, I'm cupping, I'm trigger point massage, I'm healing. I know how to heal a lot of different ailments and issues and situations. No, I'm not a doctor. I'm a therapist, a physical therapist, massage therapist. So there are things I can do that sometimes modern medicine can wonder. How does he do that? And I'm still in school, y'all. So just imagine, I'm gonna keep applying myself, I'm gonna stay focused. I hope you guys are following your goals. And if there's things that you wanna do in life that you've been thinking about, yo, go ahead and do it. Don't let nothing stop you. Life is great. Life is great. Yeah, so excuse me while I enjoy my time. Guys, I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to definitely advise everyone to go against the grain. There's no more time to waste, man. Like, it's the New Year's now. Make it happen. Make life happen now. Whatever it is you want to do, go and pursue whatever dream you have, whatever goals, whatever things you've been thinking about doing. Go ahead and do it. Now's the time. I'm telling you, don't wait. Do not wait. Go ahead and make it happen. Do what you got to do for you. And if there's anybody in your life who loves you, who cares about you, they will support you. They will be there for your decisions. They will understand that you have to grow, that you have to develop into the person that God has made you to be. I'm sending all positive energy. I'm healing everyone watching this. I'm healing you. I'm making you have the strength, have the confidence, and to know that you can accomplish whatever you want. Anything holding you back, anything bothering you, I'm lifting that away right now. I'm absorbing your negative energy. I'm grounding it. And I'm getting rid of it. And I'm sending positive vibrations your way. Breathe with me. Feel the positive vibrations. I love you guys, man. Thanks for watching. Yo, energy is real. There are things out here that are more real than what we can see, touch, feel. Things that we've grown to have known our whole lives. There are things that you guys do not understand that are more real than what we are told, than what we seem to know. Open your mind. Love you guys, man. Yo, peace out. I'm gonna enjoy, meditate, and stretch for the rest of the time I'm out here. I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful weather that God has provided for us. No, this does not hurt me. It will not hurt you. This is nature. Nature at its finest. It's not just about the sun. It's about the elements. I love you guys, man. So till the next time, man, I'm gonna holler at you guys, man. I love you. It's not about me, it's about we. What's good, y'all? I want to talk to you about how people can doubt you, and they don't have to doubt you, meaning they're a hater or they're not supporting you. People can doubt you because they don't know your true ability. And when you know you have certain abilities, and we all do, it's just a matter of knowing how to bring them out. And yes, excuse me for it being dark right now, but this is just how I'm walking from the pool back to my place. See, we're the only ones with Christmas lights still up. Now, we did a lecture, my teacher did a lecture, and my teacher is very supportive, and my teacher knows that I have certain abilities, that I'm special. She went over the bones in the body. It was between 30 to 40 different bones. I don't know, I didn't count it. I wasn't worrying about counting it. I just know that when she went through the lecture that we're supposed to, matter of fact, today is Saturday night. So we're supposed to go through this on Monday when we go back to school. We're supposed to all be ready to be able to name the bones in the body. So Right after she went through the lecture, I explained to her that I wanted to take the test, that I wanted to do my check off. So she was really laughing. She was like not believing in your boy because that was really fast. I don't know. I just felt like I was really paying attention to what she was saying, and I can visualize and put things together like that. Well, once we finished and everybody in the class was surprised, they thought I was playing, I went in the back, bald head and all that. I said bald head and all that. And let me stand out here and talk to you. And I went and I did the check off and I passed it, and everyone was surprised that I was able to retain and know that information. Now for you guys that don't really understand that, only thing I could say is we all have Google. Google the bones in the body. Google the bones in the body and see how long it'll take you to be able to name those certain bones. When somebody, like I said, when somebody names the bone, for you to be able to look at a skeleton and point out the bone, where it's at. Just look at it. And just look and see how that is very, I don't even have the words for it, but it's something that we have to take at least a week to learn it. I took one lecture. She went over the bones and I was like intent. I was locked in on her. I wasn't playing. I don't play in school. And I was ready to take the test and I did it. So anyway, this is what I'm saying about unlocking your potential. Everyone has it. Everyone can do it with certain different things. I'm not saying like that, but everybody has some certain special thing. There was something else I wanted to tell y'all that I really can't remember right now because I'm just so fascinated on how beautiful my surroundings are. And like I say, I'm very grateful because last year this time I was in snow in New York. Terrible, terrible, terrible environment. And now I'm in paradise and I'm so grateful. But yeah, so everybody has some special, oh, that's what I was going to tell you. Now, I'm also the person that can look at a person, and I'm not looking at the person per se. I'm looking at their aura that surrounds them. I'm looking at their aura. It has nothing to do, even though I'm looking at a person, I can look at a person and I can tell a person some certain things about them. Not like a psychic, not like, I guess it is a little bit like a psychic, but I can foresee certain things in people, like good qualities. And no, I can't talk to people who are past and have, some type of message to reach out to their dead relatives and things like that. I'm not like that. But I can look at a person, I can let them know as far as like their potential in the future and certain things that they do in life. Can't explain it, just can do it. For you guys that are in my class that know, they'll tell you. It's not a big deal, it's just a normal regular guy still, but I do have that gift. So yeah, so we all have special gifts is what the whole point behind that is. So look deep inside, don't let anybody change you. Be that strange, out the box person, and you will see the pieces will come together because God, He made us all individual and unique and special. So that's my message from you guys, to you guys from me for 2019. I love you guys, man. Holla at your boy. Once again, raining outside. I think it's about 51 degrees right now. It feels great. January 4th. Loving life. Living my best life. So yeah, man, I'm out of here, man. Peace out.